Hey everyone, I got my go-kart out. I just get its first wash, I don't know, in 5 years I suppose. It actually looks alright now. I gotta pump the tyre up. She's got a 160 Victa, smoking. Just the same as your lawnmower. I like it like that. Awesome, I'll get back to you about it when she's going. Just warming her up. It's a little bit warmer now. I just love that idle. It would just keep going, eh? I just idled it up a little bit, I did. The trigger's a clutch, 1282 sprocket it is. It hasn't got much fuel, so it won't last for much longer, I don't think. Thanks for watching.